Okay, burpees, I'm back and I'm doing a challenge. I'm gonna do a challenge where I'm gonna drink this full soda and not burp. And that's gonna be real hard for me because I'm always burping. So I'm a little nervous. Shout out to Harold and I say Harold. Shout out to Harold and Arnold. I'm on vacation right now for my son's birthday. As you can tell, I'm living my life like it's golden. Anyway, if you're new to this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Put that bell on so you can get these notifications when I'm dropping. So yeah, let's just get to it, okay? Here we go. This is probably gonna go into my green screen, but it's okay. Ooh, a little ASMR. I'm gonna drink this soda without burping. Ready? Go. It's cold too. I'm already getting full. I gotta burp. It's a little hard to drink if you're not hungry. That hurts, y'all. I'm not even halfway. Oh no, this is good too. I'm trying to just keep drinking. Oh, that's Sprite. Oh, that's Sprite. Get you right. It's right there. Oh my God. My purpose right there. I'm not trying to burp. It's like in the middle of my throat though. I'm not even about to lie to you. I gotta eat something. I don't be knowing these challenges, so I don't know if I can eat or not. But let me get thirsty again. I'll change my hair up, guys. All right, anyway, back. How do people drink a full Sprite if you're not eating and not burping? This is a Spanish thing. Only Spanish people do that. Oh. I feel like I'm always failing these challenges. Y'all, this burp is about to be real as hell. Ooh, honey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It couldn't. Oh. Oh. Whoa. I feel so much better. I feel so much better. I clearly fell. That was so hard. That was so hard, like the burps. They start to come up. Y'all know I burp a lot. It literally be right. It was right here, choking me. It was choking me. I failed. I'm sorry. I failed you guys. The crazy part is I don't even drink soda like that no more, so it's real strong for me. Like, it's real strong for me right now. Like, I be drinking sparkling water. Y'all know me. Well, that's all, folks. That English toffee be bomb. I failed. I suck. I'll let y'all later. Oh, my knee hurts. My knee hurts.